Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty is more than just skin deep. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to give you flawless coverage while still being kind to your skin. We're talking about the Jane Iredale PurePressed Base Mineral Foundation Refill in the shade Golden Tan. This pressed powder promises a semi-matte finish with built-in SPF protection, and it's completely talc-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. It's a product that combines skincare and makeup in one compact. And today, we'll put it to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's take a closer look at the details. This is a mineral foundation, which is a type of foundation that's typically packed with natural minerals, making it a great option for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. The Golden Tan shade in particular is designed for medium to tan skin tones with a warm undertone. The product comes in a refillable jar, making it eco-friendly, and the pressed powder is easy to carry around for touch-ups on the go. The formulation is what really sets this product apart. With its talc-free composition, it's designed to be less irritating and more suitable for sensitive skin. The SPF 20 gives an extra layer of sun protection, which is always a welcome bonus in any foundation. As for the finish, Jane Iredale promises a semi-matte look, which should give you the best of both worlds. A bit of natural glow without the shine. When I tried it, I was impressed by how smooth it went on. The powder is fine and almost velvety to the touch. It didn't feel heavy at all, and the coverage was buildable. One layer gives you light to medium coverage, but you can easily layer it up for full coverage without feeling like your skin can't breathe. I love that it didn't settle into any fine lines or pores, which can sometimes happen with powders. It felt light, breathable, and it really did give me that semi-matte finish, which is perfect for my combination skin. On the downside, it might not be ideal for those with extremely dry skin. While it's very comfortable, if your skin is flaky, you may want to make sure it's well moisturized before application, as it can cling to dry patches. In terms of value for money, this is definitely a higher-end product. But considering the quality of the ingredients, vegan, cruelty-free, and talc-free, it's something I feel good about using, especially if you're looking for a more natural foundation. The added bonus of SPF 20 is a nice touch, and it gives you some extra sun protection, though I would still recommend wearing a separate sunscreen for full protection. Comparing it to other foundations in a similar price range, the Jane Iredale PurePressed Base stands out not just for its natural ingredients, but also for its buildable coverage and the fact that it's refillable. If you're comparing it to other talc-free options, the performance is solid, and the extra SPF makes it a worthy choice for everyday wear. The compact design and the fact that it's refillable make it a more eco-conscious option compared to other mineral foundations that come in non-refillable packaging. Over time, the compact can be reused, which is a nice added benefit for sustainability. Now, customer service and updates don't seem to be something I've needed to test personally with this product, but I do appreciate that Jane Iredale has a strong reputation for quality and customer support. They've been around for years and have a loyal following for a reason. If you ever need help with anything, they have a responsive team that you can reach out to. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but at a lower price point, you might want to check out brands like Bare Minerals or ELF Cosmetics, which offer similar mineral-based formulas. While the quality may vary slightly, they can provide a similar semi-matte finish and buildable coverage at a more affordable price. So let's talk final thoughts. The Jane Iredale PurePressed Base Mineral Foundation Refill does exactly what it promises. It's buildable, comfortable, and long-lasting. I can see this being a great option for people with sensitive skin or anyone who's looking for a more natural, breathable foundation. The semi-matte finish is perfect for anyone who doesn't want the shine but still wants some radiance to their skin. If you're looking for something that checks all the boxes for clean beauty, then this is worth considering. It's a bit pricier, but the quality justifies the price, especially with its eco-friendly packaging, natural ingredients, and added SPF. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.